In this video, I want to talk about how you can withdraw crypto from eToro. Now, I'll quickly talk about how you can do it in two different ways. Now, obviously, the first one is simply to just close your position on normal eToro and then just withdraw the cash. Now, if you want to take the crypto out, if you want to get it to an external wallet or anything else, you need to download eToro Money. Now, this is an app for your phone, so download the app on your phone, and this is basically the crypto version of eToro. Now, it's the same company, it's just a different app. So download that app, and then you need to make sure you're 100% completed on your profile. So I'm only 80%, but you need to be 100%, and you also need to verify your phone number. Once you've done this, you can now transfer your crypto on here onto eToro Money. So sign in on your phone to eToro Money, find the crypto that you want to transfer. And since I'm not 100% completed, I can't do it, but it's going to look like this. Just go to portfolio, click on the one you want to do, click on the position, and click on transfer to wallet. Now, once you've done this, your crypto will now be on eToro Money, the app you just downloaded. And then all you have to do is go to the app, and then you can click send, and then you can select which one, and you can send it to an external wallet, or you can also sell it in there and withdraw the money. So that is basically how it works, guys. I really hope you enjoyed this short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.